Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn the difference between two important words in Spanish, algo and algún. Even if they sound similar, they have different meanings and uses. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about algo. Algo means something in English. You can use it when you're talking about an unspecified thing, or when you don't know exactly what it is. Let's look at some examples. I want to eat something. Translation: Quiero comer algo. Hay algo en mi ojo. Translation: There's something in my eye. Perfect. Now you understand algo. Next up is algún. Algún means some or any. It's used before masculine singular nouns. Let's look at some examples. Do you have any books that you would recommend? Translation: ¿Tiene algún libro que me pueda recomendar? Voy a comprar algún regalo para mi hermano. Translation: I'm going to buy a gift for my brother. Great! But remember, algún is for singular masculine nouns. If it's plural, you would say algunos. For example, I have some friends. Translation: Tengo algunos amigos. To sum it up, use algo for something and algún for some when referring to singular masculine nouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using them with your friends. Thanks for watching. Practice using algo and algún in sentences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. See you next time.